Nusantara Capital City Authority is more than a new capital. It represents Indonesia's vision for a smart, green, and sustainable future.
At the heart of Indonesia's future, a new capital city is growing with a grand vision. The capital of the archipelago, smart infrastructure, green buildings, and efficient energy system form the foundation of Indonesia's next-generation government city. Behind its modern buildings, technology works non-stop, keeping the air clean, temperatures comfortable, and energy efficient. To support buildings with the highest standards, HVAC system must be designed as integrated solutions. Bukaka Inti Aircon commit to providing the best integrated HVAC solution from system design, equipment supply, installation to long-term after-sales support.
This building requires HVAC systems that are reliable, efficient, and future-proof.
At the heart of National Capital Government Zone, Bukaka Inti Aircon is entrusted with HVAC systems for coordinating ministry and the Nusantara Capital City Authority building. Across a total of 17 government buildings within the government area, Bukaka Inti Aircon delivers an integrated HVAC solution using 18 units of Clivet chillers with a combined cooling capacity of approximately 6,072 TR. With an efficiency performance reaching 0.51 kilowatts MTR, these chillers support national capital commitment to energy efficiency, smart building integration, and sustainable operation for critical government facilities. For strategic government buildings, performance does not stop at product and installation. Bukaka Inti Aircon provides reliable after-sales support, preventive maintenance, and technical assistance to ensure system performance remains optimal. This HVAC system not only ensures comfortable temperatures but also maintains air quality, providing a healthier space experience for its occupants. By reducing energy consumption and supporting smart building integration, Bukaka Inti Aircon helps realize national capital vision as sustainable capital for generation to come. Bukaka Inti Aircon, delivering integrated HVAC solutions for Indonesia's future capital.